Haymakers. Today I am at M365 event Ahmedabad, and today I am going to meet with the different community folks. And today we are going to talk about one of the most interesting question in this industry, which is AI. So let's talk about the different folks and let's get to know their thoughts on how AI is changing the software industry or how it is impacting us as a developer, or if you're working in the IT industry, how it is affecting you. So with me, I have first Mr. Gautam. Hi, Gautam. First of all, share me your thoughts for AI.
Hi, Dhruvin. Thanks for having me here. Thoughts about AI? I think of AI as the beginning of a new age. Think of it as the beginning of internet, but in a different modern era. And this is going to open new frontiers in the technology industry, and that's something we are right now at the beginning. And it's a bit early to know what's going to happen in the future. And but we do see quite a lot of use cases about this particular technology that is emerging now. One of the main favorite things that I really like about AI is the ability to use it on legacy technologies. For example, like we have a lot of developers who leave organizations, and that's when we miss the context on why they wrote the code in particular way. So when we ask AI, it can give some nice better context about how they wrote the code and what the code does, and that's something that is very interesting to me as well right now.
All right. Thank you so much for this wonderful insight. Do you really think like AI will replace human jobs?
Too early to say. I wouldn't say no, but I would also say that it's going to open new opportunities, and it's a good time because it's the beginning of a new age. It's also a good opportunity to learn AI, how it works, how understand how exactly what goes behind the scenes, and it's something you should, if you're interested in, you should take a look at it behind the scenes, behind the covers, and that's going to open new opportunities for you in the future.
Thank you so much for your thoughts.
Thanks.